Guys, good evening time, everybody. Hope y'all are doing all right this evening. This is for a good customer friend of mine. Got a repair review. Oh yeah, guys. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hey guys, join up our Patreon, man. We got some cool giveaways coming up. Got some good members over there, cool things, perks, and previews, and all kinds of cool stuff. Just go to www.patreon.com, donkeystomperproducts. www.patreon.com/donkeystomperproducts. But the website will be down here in the bottom. But guys, I appreciate it if you join up. We've got some big plans over there. We'd love to see it get real big and give away a bunch of stuff and give some big giveaways and stuff. That's the plan. All right, guys, we got a Donkey Stomper 1000V-HG-2X8 CW transmitter. All right, guys, it blowed a transistor, which that sucks. These are fairly new. Blowed one transistor and two resistors. We changed that out. And we come in here and we retuned everything and just did a little tweaking on it, trying to make it a little better. Put just a little input pad on there, so lower your decky a little bit, because maybe you won't blow on the transistor again. But let's see, which one did we change? It was that booger right there is the one we changed. This is an older build, but it's been a good build. He likes it. Retuned the output tune, glued it back down. Of course, last time I put that big power supply in there for you. I added that to the deal. So you got 4 mean wells and a big HP supply. But went through everything, checked it out, man. Looks real good. We're gonna turn him on. Of course, we got the little blue fans going over here. Our straight through SWR. Hello, worldwide, 0. Turn him on, valve wide open. Let me set the carrier. Well, input SWR, hello is nothing. Hello, mellow, yellow. I'm gonna set my carrier. I haven't done that yet. It's probably low. Let's see. It's high. Come on, brother. That's what you need to do. You need to keep about 150. Somewhere 150, 200 watts, no more. I know a lot of these guys overkill, and that's what causes this. Go down just a little bit more. Like I said, 150, 200 watts. It's hard to do on a digital meter. But, you know, I can get by with keying a lot on the dummy low, but you can't get by with it when you get talking on it. Here we go, worldwide, Donkey Stomper. Working my little 2x8, Donkey Stomper. Hello, audio, 1, 2, 3. You might notice it's a little bit of drop in the swing, not a lot. That's from that pad, but that's trying to protect you from having any more issues. Hello, worldwide, get it down. 5-watt reverse. Hello, worldwide. About a watt back, 2500 watt PEP. Get the birdie. Hello, worldwide. Looking good, get her done. 2000 PEP on the bird. I'm real happy with that, man. Like I said, you got plenty of power supply. You ain't got no voltage dip no more. And I did just put just a shimmy pad in there to help you deck you some. Let's see what it wants to deck you in. Let me see where it likes it. It's asking for 1 watt with the valve wide open. So with the valve wide open, it's asking for 1 watt. Now you can turn the valve down just a little bit and probably go 2. But it's asking for 1 watt if you're gonna run it wide open. Hello, worldwide. Get on down. Hello, audio. It's good numbers. But there she is, man. She's all up and ready to go. Guys, I appreciate you watching. Like I said, please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Ring that bell. Guys, we'd love to have you over in Patreon. We'd love to have you join up. That's going to be our private little thing over there. And a lot of perks, a lot of giveaways. A lot of things are going to happen over there in the future. Alrighty, guys. Y'all take care. Your friend 10-018 Beavis. Donkey Stomper.